Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. It's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I'm coming to you live on my iPad, well, basically a recorded video, because my PC decided to destroy itself and the hard drive has just gone. So anyway, I do apologize about that because I literally was going to do a live right there and it just didn't end up happening because I don't have the PC up and running. But anyway, guys, it's, there's a lot happening in crypto and I wanted to give an update today, especially with Ripple and XRP. There's some interesting stuff that Ripple are doing that I want to get out to you guys. And also, more importantly, Axi Infinity has cut its stake and rewards down, which is interesting. We've got some updates in relation to Michael Saylor doing some pretty interesting things with Bitcoin. Cathie Wood still remaining bullish on a $1 million Bitcoin, guys. And again, pretty crazy stuff happening in my Patreon page, I'm just saying, and the bots that I'm putting up at the moment. Anyway, let's get straight into the news, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much, you guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. It's happened to me many, many times, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, I'm going to go to my community tab now on my channel. And I do apologize because I'm going to pull this up right now. Let's see if this works right here. And yes, it's Saturday night. I'm in my kitchen and I'm still doing updates. Anyway, I'm going to bring this up bigger, guys, because it's probably a little bit too hard to see. But anyway, let's have a look here, guys. This community tab. Axi Infinity has reduced its staking rewards to 45%, both on CoinSpot and obviously on Binance, all exchanges. I believe there's a reason why. It's because the price of the token's going up and they cannot sustain those rewards, basically giving out a lot of money to people every single day. So they've reduced it. Big deal. It's still 45%, which is crazy. And I just want to show you this as well, but in total, Ripple Labs has publicly reported $11.1 billion in on-demand liquidity related sales from the beginning of 2021 to the end of 2022. And look at this right here, guys. The firm has shelled out nearly $8.4 billion throughout the sustained XRP buying campaign initially pitched to protect the token's markets and its customers, averaging more than $1 billion per quarter. Ripple Labs disclosures indicate the firm has, since the SEC's charges, essentially recycled 75% of the revenue generated from direct XRP sales and buying its own token on the secondary markets, and 67% of overall sales, obviously revenue from the start of 2016 fourth quarter right here. This is massive, absolutely massive. Anyway, this is the power of compounding. If you don't know what it is, guys, basically it's got to do with the rice. And if you don't know, go read this because it's interesting about compounding. Basically what it is the gentleman didn't want money. He just wanted to get a grain of rice each day and build it up pretty much. And basically he ended up draining the entire kingdom because he ended up compounding it so much that the rice just got too big. Now, let me go back down to the community tab, guys. I do apologize, but the top gainers were AGIX in my portfolio. That's a new one I just threw in some money into. Harmony 1, you got Lunar Classic, T-Fuel, Hedera, HBAR, yes, Hedera, sorry, and that was up 4.41% today. But now, my crypto bots have been actually doing extremely well. So let me just pull up my camera here, guys. And, the Patreon is linked below, so make sure you join up, all right? So let me pull up the news, and I'm going to do this on my iPad because my PC is completely SHIT itself. Anyway, fun times. Now, I use CoinSpot. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in this coin right here, Bitcoin. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world. I'm going to quickly go through my favorite coins, guys. Bitcoin, again, OG, it's up 1.64%, $34,000. It's doing quite nicely. Ethereum's up 3%, 2,400. You got XRP at 60 cents today, up 1.3. I might buy some more of that probably tomorrow night, Sunday here in Australia, because the markets are usually quiet over the weekend. ADA's at 59 cents. You've got Solana up to $36. Moving down, you've got Chainlink at $10 as well. Aptos, I do have an incredible bot set up. You need to check out the Patreon, join up. XLM is up 2.65% to 13 cents. ALGO's 39. Hedera's at 10 cents. Quant, 207. This thing will not go down. Moving here, we got Axi Infinity up 2% as well to $16. It's starting to creep back up, which is nice, but I don't know why they would cut the rewards so significantly. 10 to 15%, okay. 30%, that's a lot. Moving down, guys, let's go to some other favorites here. IOTA, of course, 36 cents. You've got Neo at $13. DYDX is a new one that I just put up as well, so that one's going up in the Patreon tonight. We have Casper at 5 cents and XDC at 4 cents. Very, very undervalued coins. Now, let's go to the Patreon as well. Do I have crypto bubbles up here? I'm not sure. Yes, the Patreon is linked below. Join up, put up all my buys, my sells, my trades. And ladies and gentlemen, I do want to put up my crypto bubbles, so I do apologize about that. Here we go. All right, it's a little bit difficult to do this on the iPad, but I've done it before when I was traveling. But anyway, crypto bubbles. Hex is the biggest gain to 37%. I believe Richard Hart is basically finalized the Pulse chain upgrade or whatever he's doing. I'm not into Hex at all. Again, I'm not too big on company CEOs flashing all of their stuff, watches, Richard Milles, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, whatever. You do not see Brad Garlinghouse doing that. That's all I'm saying. And I don't like the fact that there's been, anyway, it's just, I'm steering clear of Hex. Not that there's anything, whatever, if you're into it, that's fine, it's up to you, but I'm staying well away from it. I just don't like CEOs that flash out their stuff like that. It just looks like a massive scam to me. Anyway, again, Magic is up 12.1% today. GMX as well, 11.2. Now, let's have a look here, guys, and see what else we've got here. We've got the Graph, which again, AI token anyway, 2.3, and Web3 as well. Again, I do hold the Graph, which is nice. We've got Hedera as well, up 3.8%, which is really good as well. Very bullish on HBAR and Hashgraph technology. I think I just saved it. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, moving on, guys. We've got ALGO down here, 2.5% today. Again, 42 on the month. And Solana right there at the bottom, 0.3% and 85% on the month. Now, I just want to show you something crazy. Let's just go to the week. Let's have a look and see what's up here. DYDX is an interesting one. Again, pumping 38% on the week, 167 on the month. I've got a new bot set up on that one, so I'm going to see how it goes in the group. So I'll be posting up updates. But any other coins, guys, that you see here are still incredibly cheap. I just want to point out that the peak of the bull market, I was buying these coins at like 80 to 70% more than what they're worth now. Axi Infinity, I was buying at $80. Theta was $14. Near Protocol was about $14. We had, Ripple and XRP basically up at $3. I mean, seeing them at like 50 cents to $2, $3, everything's, to me, is on sale. That's just my opinion. Anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to the news. And again, XRP is not a security, even if Ripple sells it as one right here. Here's why crypto founder law, Johnny Deaton, absolute legend. So Johnny Deaton, the crypto law founder, has taken to Twitter to share his argument as to how XRP cannot be qualified as a security, even if it was once sold as an investment contract by Ripple. And look at this. He believes that the rule can also be applied to Bitcoin and other digital currencies, explaining his point of view on a Twitter thread. And his thread began by slamming the man who is the right hand of Warren Buffett right here, Charlie Munger. And in an open-ed release in the Wall Street Journal, he shared his take on the US should ban Bitcoin and crypto overall, calling cryptocurrency nothing but a gambling contract. And Deaton tweeted with any cryptocurrency, including XRP, I'm going to move the picture up there so I'm going to get in trouble. Anyway, basically is the first digital code. And he insisted that XRP remains one of even if Ripple sold an investment contract, aka security, in the past, or is still doing it now. Referring to the case with library credits against the SEC, he reminded in the community that the judge in that case ruled, even though the library made a direct LBC sales to the flip side of crypto, in that particular case, it was an investment contract. However, per the judge's ruling, that does not apply to LBC token or sales on the secondary market right here. In those cases, those tokens were not investment contracts. This proves Deaton believes that the LBC in itself is no security, which is interesting. Otherwise, the judge's ruling would be applied to all of the sales in the market. The same should be logically applied to XRP, the crypto law creator believes. And I agree. And if Ripple offered and sold XRP as an investment contract in the some point during its history, or even if it does today, it does not make XRP security. XRP remains a digital code. It's absolute facts. And the judge in the library case basically sold LBC as an investment contract when it made direct sales basically to the people that bought it. Very, very interesting right here. And again, I keep telling everyone that I've believed this is not a security the whole time. Even the CFTC knows it's not a security. Now, this is interesting, but $8.4 billion in XRP since the SEC lawsuit to support healthy markets. Why would Ripple be doing that? I believe I have an understanding of why they may be doing that. But anyway, so Ripple Labs XRP token has dropped 20% since the SEC sued the firm back in 2020, as we all know. And I just want to show you guys this. Where is it right here? Let's scroll down right here, guys. All right. So Ripple's direct XRP sales right here only tell one part of the story. It's true that Ripple sold around $2.97 billion worth of XRP last quarter, on par with the previous period of $2.82 billion. But in reality, it is that Ripple has appeared to push much of that money into buying XRP on public markets per its own disclosures. In total, Ripple Labs has publicly reported $11.1 billion in ODL sales from the beginning of 2021 until the end of 2022 last year. Since then, the firm has shelled out nearly $8.4 billion throughout the sustained XRP buying campaign, initially pitched to protect the token's markets and its customers, averaging more than $1 billion per quarter. Why are they doing that? I've got a funny feeling they're trying to buy up all the XRP on the secondary market because they do not want retail to hold it. This is Ripple. And there's a reason why, because they need that for institutions. Institutions are going to want to buy from Ripple's escrow and buy direct. They're not going to want to buy on exchanges. So they want to buy direct from Ripple, which is smart. Think about it. Now, Bitcoin right here won't be an effective currency of store of value as a medium, basically all medium of exchange, says hedge fund manager legend Ray Dalio. I don't know why he's believing that, but the founder of the asset management firm Bridgewater Associates says that the Bitcoin accomplished in the last 12 years is amazing, but investors still have better choices than putting their money on the benchmark cryptocurrency. I beg to differ, Mr. Ray Dalio. I'm a big fan of him, but I don't believe that for one moment. Now, $1 million Bitcoin right here. What does everyone think about that? Let me know in the comments. But Cathie Woods doubles down on the decade-long Bitcoin price prediction. And Chief CEO right here of ARK Invest, in an annual public Bitcoin forecast, doubled down on a prediction that for the cryptocurrency to reach $1 million by the turn of the decade. And back in November, when the forecast was made public per Bloomberg interview, Cathie expressed optimism that the crypto market would need to battle the test and go through crises to bounce back. Bitcoin has since gained $7,000 in market value. Facts. And I believe it will go easily to $1 million. Now, the block Luna Classic right here price rises to the highest level since November. And basically from the collapsed UST, basically stable coins, and it surged 60% today. I'm still holding my Luna Classic. I don't know where it's going to go. Do Quant, where is Do Quant? Where are you, mate? I don't know where he is. Very, very interesting. He's probably just disappeared somewhere. It's amazing how no regulators have gone after him in particular. He's just disappeared off all of Twitter anyway. Interesting. But I'm still holding my Luna. Moving down here, guys. MicroStrategy stock rockets 100% in 2023 as firm buys 8,800 Bitcoin amid the crash of 2022. There you go. Michael Saylor. Is anyone actually holding that as well? This stock right here, MicroStrategy. I'm not actually investing in it because they don't pay dividends. But anyway, guys, as it happens, MicroStrategy bought 8,813 Bitcoin during the cryptocurrency crash, taking $1.28 billion impairment loss in 2022 and reporting revenue of 132 million for the year's fourth quarter, but also a net loss of 250 million according to the company's financials. Anyway, I'd like to personally just hold Bitcoin. I wouldn't need to buy MicroStrategy. I mean, they've just got a lot of money. That's it. Anyway, MicroStrategy plans to stop trading Bitcoin as paper loss hits $1.3 billion. The company also booked a loss of $34 million on the first ever Bitcoin sale last quarter, but said it was conducted to harvest the tax loss. There you go. They know what they're doing. They know how to manage big money, of course. Now, cryptometer.io, let's have a quick look here, guys. And yes, this is going to be a late video, but we've got Bitcoin, Matic right here, XRP, you've got Chili's, Ethereum, and that is pretty much it. XRP and Shiba as well. I still hold all of those. Now, let's go to Twitter, see what's going on there, guys. There is quite a bit of stuff to get through there, and I do apologize. Let me pull this up. And again, my Mac does this. I don't know why you just can't drag over the top. But anyway, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go follow me to get it, guys. Please check the spelling. When I hit 100,000 subs, I'm giving that away. Interesting stuff right here in relation to this, but there are only 2 companies in my lifetime that I'm aware of that stated the goal of creating global reserve currency: PayPal and XRP and Ripple. There you go. Go watch that interview. It's going to take a bit long to get through that. Michael Saylor, we are developing MicroStrategy Lightning to let business offer Bitcoin rewards to millions of people. There you go. I'm happy for that. It still involves crypto. Now, interesting stuff. Ashley Prosper, thank you for this. But Coinbase is going to be unavailable for approximately 8 hours from 11 a.m. Eastern Time on March 4th, which is a month away from today. Are they preparing to relist XRP? If they do, freaking hold on, because things are going to get crazy. There is a statement from Alliance Block as well. I'm not going to read this, but they have issued a full-blown statement from the DAO hack right here, which $12 million was lost in Alliance Block again. I don't know. Is anybody actually buying it? Let me know in the comments below. Kathy Wood right here. Bitcoin is the ultimate insurance policy. I agree. And has anyone noticed on Twitter as well, a lot of fight scenes and things going on there? It's just popping up a lot more than I'd like to see on Twitter. So Elon, if you're listening to this, mate, please just cut that out. I don't want to see kids fighting. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. T analyst right here, Bitcoin, the 4th huge bull run starts right now. A long MACD indicator shows a historic rebound. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin ATMs right here, and the Chinese balloon is flying around the United States and they're just letting it go. Very interesting stuff. Charles Hoskinson right here at a Ripple party when he said he wanted nothing to do with the community. Interesting. Institutions now look at Bitcoin as the new asset class. Kathy Wood, bullish. The fear and greed index is sitting at 58 right now. And yes, there you go. Axi Infinity staking rewards down to 45%, which is crazy. Yes, I did some kickboxing today at Stan the Man's gym, which is absolutely wild. And this is crazy right here, but it's the truth. And I was walking this morning and basically, the economy is in deep trouble, or should I say it, when the bank managers are disappearing because they cannot honor the interest rates anymore, the Reserve Bank of Australia. You are honestly a bunch of clowns destroying people's livelihoods. Inflation is not getting under control. It is facts. I had a bank manager basically do a runner on me, and I've had many other colleagues at work as well have the same thing happen to them. The bank managers do not answer phone calls. They do not offer, emails, nothing. And I'm talking about the big 4, National Australia Bank, CommBank, ANZ. What else have we got here, guys? Westpac, all of them. They all disappear because they don't know what the interest rates are going to be. They can't actually do business. Reserve Bank, Philip Lowe. What the hell are you doing, mate? Gosh, stop the interest rate rises. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm getting very frustrated. Now, moving on here, guys. Sorry about that. My little rant about the Reserve Bank interest rates here in Australia, and I'm sure it's happening around the world. Anyway, let's go to coin market cap right here. And yes, this is my portfolio. Let's go to the total volume. We've got $1.08 trillion today, which is nice. $51 billion in volume, 41% BTC, 18% Ethereum. And again, I can't wait for XRP to flip that. It actually will go crazy. These are the ones that I'm focusing at the moment, guys. Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM, ALGO, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, Casper, XDC, LCX, and Alliance Block. That one there's still down 45%. It has come back up. But guys, this is the one, the OG right here that I'm chasing. The mega one right here. Look at that, 6,000.8% all time. It will soar back to its all-time high, 100%. Just give it time and positivity coming out of this case. And look at that. For those of you who think it's a stable coin, stable coins don't go up to $3.36 USD. It'll happen again. And previously, guys, look at that, $1.50, $1.36 USD. It's not a stable coin. That is absolute facts right there. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good Saturday evening. I'm going to chill out now and watch probably a movie here. I think there's Shooter on TV, but anyway, it's a great movie with Mark Wahlberg. Anyway, stay safe, guys. I'll speak to you all tomorrow, all right? Sorry about the live. My bad. Peace out. Join the Patreon. Bye.